In this video, we'll be multiplying algebraic expressions. To multiply algebraic expressions, the easiest way to go is using FOIL, which stands for first, outside, inside, and last. So our first problem is 3x plus 2 times 5x plus 4. So first we'll do 3x times 5x, then 3x times 4, then 2 times 5x, then 2 times 4. So 3x times 5x is 15x squared. Then 3x plus times 4 is plus 12x. Then 2 plus 5x is plus 10x. And then 2 times 4 is plus 8. So we'll add these two together, and our final answer is 15x squared plus 22x plus 8. Next we have 2a squared plus 2 times 4a cubed plus 5. So like last time, we'll do first, outside, inside, and last. So 4a squared plus 2a squared plus 4a cubed is 8a to the power of 5. Then 2a squared times 5 is plus 10a squared, plus 2 times 4a cubed is 8a cubed, and then 2 times 5 is plus 10. We'll reorder these, and 8a to the power of 5 plus 8a cubed plus 10a squared plus 10 is our final answer. Next we have x plus 2 times x minus 3. So we'll do first, outside, inside, and last. First is x times x, which is x squared. Outside is x times minus 3, so it gives us a negative 3x. Inside is 2 times x, so we have plus 2x. And 2 times negative 3 is minus 6. We'll group our terms, so x squared minus x minus 6 is our final answer. Now we have 3y times y minus 4. So this one we don't have a first, outside, inside, and last, so we'll do first times first and first times last. So first we have 3y times y, giving us 3y squared, and then 3y times negative 4 is negative 12y. And there's our final answer. Now we have 2x plus 1 times x plus 5. So we'll do first, outside, inside, and last. So first we have 2x times x, giving us 2x squared. Then 2x times 5 is a positive 10x. Then positive 1 times x is plus x. And 1 times 5 is positive 5. We'll group our terms. Our final answer is 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. Now we have x minus 3 times x squared plus 4x plus 5. So we've got more than first, outside, inside, last. So we'll do first, middle, last. We'll go to our second term and do first, middle, last. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times positive 4x is plus 4x squared. And x times 5 is plus 5x. Now our first one over here is a negative, so we have negative 3 times x squared. We have 3x squared minus 4 times 3 is 12, so minus 12x. Then 3 times 5 is negative 15. So we'll group all of our terms. For cubed, we have x cubed. X squared, we have 4x squared minus 3x squared. And then we have plus 5x minus 12x minus 15. So our final answer is x cubed minus x squared minus 7x. I'm sorry, this is a plus x squared minus 15. That one's gone. There's our final answer. Now we have a plus b times a minus b. We'll do first, outside, inside, and last. So a times a is a squared. A times negative b is minus ab. Then plus b times a is plus ab. And then negative b times b is negative b squared. And these two cancel out, giving us our final answer of a squared minus b squared. So anytime you run into a problem where it's something plus something times the same thing minus the same thing, it's always going to be this one squared minus this one squared. Now we have 2x plus 3 times x squared plus x plus 1. We have more than just a first, outside, inside, last, so we'll start with the first term, multiply the first, the middle, and the last. And we'll go to the second term, first, middle, and last. So 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2x times x is plus 2x squared. And 2x times plus 1 is plus 2x. Now on to the second term. We have 3 times x squared. So we have 3x squared. Plus 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 1 is plus 3. So we'll group our terms. We have 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 3. And that's our final answer. Next we have 3x squared plus 4x times 2x minus 5. So we'll do first, outside, inside, last again. So 3x squared times 2x is 6, oh goodness, 6x cubed. 3x squared times 5 is negative 15x squared. 4x times 2x is positive 8x squared. Then 4x times negative 5 is negative 20x. Now we have 6x cubed minus 7x squared minus 20x. And that's our final answer. And lastly, we have x plus 2y times 2x minus 3y. We'll do first, outside, inside, and last again. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 3y is negative 3xy. 2y times 2x is 4xy. And then positive 2y times negative 3y is negative 6y squared. So we'll group our terms. We have 2x2 plus xy minus 6y squared. And that's our final answer. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Be sure to check out my algebra playlist, and I hope you have a great day.